She hasn't had enough. She'll be back. Look, it's just up and wet. She'll be back. I'm her friend today. Oh, she's going to try it. She wants to go swimming again? A 15th time? Yep. Nope. She says, I just want to get out of my cage and play. And you're going to have to be my playmate. But you have to run across the moat, my dear. You surely don't mind when it's shallow. Whoops, except when you get your head in it. Show us what you look like. Are you tired of that yet? Oh my goodness. You're wet. You're wet. You sure you want more? Nope, I think she's done.